Hey traders, I'm loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I want to show you all the A+ setups I'm watching out for on all my pairs on my watch list and how I'm going to execute all of them. I'm going to review in and out of all the setups in today's video. On the chart of Euro USD, you agree with me that the sellers are the one dominating the market at the moment. And if you look at the pattern that signifies the presence of sellers in the market, is this head and shoulder. We have a shoulder here, then head here, then we have right shoulder here. Then we're expecting the price action to continue the movement. This head and shoulder is a very strong pattern that represents the domination of the sellers in the market. Overall market structure on Euro USD, you agree with me that the sellers are the one ruling the market. The last major lower high is around this zone here, and the last major lower low is around this zone here. So what is happening within this zone here is just a minor bullish structure retracement. Currently, the sellers has invalidated this minor bullish retracement by taking out the last higher low here. So where are we executing our sell bias? We are waiting the price action to take out this key level zone here, this minor key level zone. We're expecting a breakout here, wait for a pullback here, then we'll take sell opportunity, and the price action is still trading below our moving average, and we can use our trend line as well to validate this zone here. So there is tendency for price action to what, break this support here, tap this trend line again, then push to the downside on Euro USD. If you take a glance through our Telegram community, you see the lot of testimonies from people, how we have impacted a lot of lives positively and how people are making so much profit from our signals. That is another testimony from this student here that says that the extension zone, all your entries, they work. I beg, make I no talk too much. This is another testimony from one of our students. You can read it as well from another student. I made $50 from a signal, sir. You are the best among all other VIP signal I paid for. This is incredible. This is the kind of testimony that is always encouraging me to give back to the community. And if you want to be part of this and also enjoy our free signal every week, here is the link to my Telegram signal channel. If you click on this link, it will take you to my free Telegram signal channel where I give out quality A setup signal to my community every week. And the best broker I am using that I can recommend for you guys is SNES. You can click on this link to sign up and open account with them. They are the best and the most reliable brokerage firm. Looking at the overall sentiment on British pound against US dollar, you agree with me that the sellers are the ruler of the market at the moment, and the current structure of the market says that these sellers are the one pushing the market to the downside, whereby we're having lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You can see that during this phase here, it was a strong seller zone. The sellers were the one that pushed the price action down. We did not see any sign of bullish candlestick close around this zone here. It was all bearish candlestick pattern. The moment the price action reached this support zone here, there was a massive wicks rejection around this zone here. The sellers was unable to push through this support zone. Remember, I told you guys that support is the price floor holding the price action from falling down. And if you check the historical data around this zone here, you can see that the price action reacted at this support zone. That was the same reason why the sellers couldn't push through this support zone. What I am expecting the price action to do this week is to continue the structure of the bearish market, right? By forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And the last lower high here must be protected at all costs. Price action must protect this last lower high. If we scale down to 4 hours time frame, you will also realize that the last lower high on 4 hours time frame is still valid as well. We're expecting the price action to break the support zone, then give us a pullback here so that we can take sell opportunity. Another tools that you can use as a confluence to validate our bearish sentiment is that the price action is still trading below this moving average. Remember, we don't use indicator alone. Don't make this mistake. Don't rely only on indicator, but you can use indicator as a confluence to validate your sentiment, your bias in the market. If price action is trading below the moving average, is a confirmation that the sellers are still the one ruling the market. If the price action is now trading above the moving average like here, that shows that what the buyers are the one ruling the market. So this is my sentiment throughout this week on British pound against US dollar. I want the price action to break the support zone here. Give me a pullback here so that I can take sell opportunity. If you look at the historical market data on AUD/USD, you will agree with me that the market has been dominated by the sellers. During a bearish market condition, your last lower high here must always be protected. So when you are taking sell opportunity during a bear market sentiment, you must always focus on your last lower high here. If I take the candlestick back, price attempted to take out the historical last lower high. We have the first high here, the second high here. This is the what? The third high, making triple highs. When the price action approached this resistance zone for the third time, there was a massive rejection. The sellers got angry and they kicked out the buyers. The moment the price action mitigated this resistance zone for the third time, now let's see what happened. Sellers took charge of the market on the 16th January 2025. The sellers pushed the price action massively. And if you look at this price action, the current structure says that we are in a bearish market condition. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We're expecting the price action to close either above here, then give us a pullback here, then we'll take buy opportunity. And if you look at this one as well, we're expecting it to give us a breakout to the downside here so that we can take a sell opportunity. If you look at the overall market data on BTC right now, you agree with me that the buyers are the rulers of the market. You can see it's a bull market. Price action broke this resistance here, then price what give us a retracement, then price bought. Same thing happened here as well. Price retested this resistance zone here. So the market is still bullish on Bitcoin USD. Our sentiment for this week is to map out our last higher low, which must be protected throughout this week. Then this place is our last higher high. We are expecting the price action to either continue the structure to the upper side and take out this last higher high, then give us a retracement here, then we take buy opportunity, or price action to do the opposite by taking out or invalidate the last higher low here to change the direction to bear market condition. Then we wait for a pullback here so that we can take sell opportunity to the downside. That is our sentiment on BTC USD for this week. Looking at the overall market condition on USD CHF, the current price action shows that the sellers has been taken out of the market. The buyers are now ruling the market. The last week price action sold massively, whereby price action formed low, lower high, lower low. Remember, I told you in a bearish market, the last lower high must be protected. In a situation whereby the price is now trading above the last lower high, that shows that the sellers are no longer in charge of the market. Right now, the buyers are now the one in charge of the market because the last lower high has been taken out. Now, what we have to do is also protect the last low during this bullish market condition. So what we are expecting this week is price action to give us a retracement back at this key level zone. Then we take buy opportunity. And another factors that we can use to validate our sentiment is that the price action is still trading below moving average. And you can also see that the counter trend line here has been invalidated. Another factor that we can also use to validate the buyers are the one in charge of the market is that there is a formation of a flag here, that is bearish continuation pattern. And bearish flag pattern represent the continuation of bullish markets. So throughout this week on USD CHF, we want to take only buy setup. We want the price action to retest this support zone so that we can take buy opportunity to the upper side. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you can be part of the next lucky trader to get the exclusive videos on our YouTube channel. See you next time.